Standing silently in the swamps of Africa is a bird so strange, many people believe it looks like a living dinosaur. With massive eyes, a giant shoe-shaped beak, and an intimidating stare, this predator has become one of the weirdest birds on Earth. This is the shoebill. The shoebill lives in the wetlands of eastern Africa, where it waits motionless for prey. Unlike most birds, the shoebill barely moves while hunting. It can stand completely still for long periods of time, watching the water carefully. But when the moment is right, it attacks instantly. Using its enormous beak, the shoebill grabs fish, frogs, snakes, and even baby crocodiles. Its sharp beak is powerful enough to crush prey quickly. And because of its terrifying appearance, many people compare the shoebill to a prehistoric creature. Silent, strange,